Hello and welcome to yet another video on Claude presented by your mentor Vivek. Every office chat has that one message on repeat. Wo policy doc kahan hai? Where's the doc? Who decided this? At Brightcart, we ping 3 colleagues and wait. Enterprise search ends that. Ask your org itself. Quick gate. Team and enterprise plans only, admin enabled. On free, pro, or max. Watch anyway. You'll know what's possible. So, what does it look like? Two things appear the moment your admin flips the switch. Your sidebar gets a new entry. Ask Brightcart with your company's name on it. And behind it sits a pre-built project. Anthropic has already wired it up with custom instructions. Your company knowledge preloaded. Zero setup from you. This project is purpose built for one job, information gathering. Ask a question. It hunts across Drive, SharePoint, Slack, Gmail, and returns one synthesized answer with citations. Every claim links back to the source doc, so you can verify before you trust. Okay, what do you actually ask it? 5 buckets cover almost everything. Getting up to speed. What happened yesterday? Any blockers? Policy and process, remote work, expenses, time off, research. Why did we lose that competitor deal? Onboarding, how auth works, who to talk to. And tracking, campaign docs, leadership decisions, who contributed what. Setup, admin side. The owner opens. Ask your org in the sidebar. Hits setup and connects 2 required things. A documents connector, Drive or SharePoint, plus a chat connector, Slack or Teams. Email is recommended optional. Name the project finish. Your side is easier. The starred project just appears. A guided onboarding walks you through. You authenticate each service once and ask away. Remember, more connectors, better coverage. You can add more later. Now the question every manager asks me, can people see documents they shouldn't? No, it only shows you what you already have permission to open. No access, no answer. Conversations stay private. Your manager can't read them, and company data isn't indexed or stored separately. Claude searches live through your permissions. Stop being the person who pings 5 people for 1 doc. Ask your org. Next unit, research mode. Hours of digging compressed into minutes with a report at the end. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for patient listening and see you in the next video. Until then, peace out.